Bad skin is one of the biggest confidence killers out there. And it's crazy because sometimes it's a tiny pimple. Most people won't even notice, but guess what? You do. And then you think that other people are looking at it, it gets in your head, and all of a sudden you're not as confident, you're not as outgoing or social as you should be. All because of bad skin. It really does make a big difference, doesn't it? And there are a few things that you can do right now to improve your skin and to make sure that you're minimizing those breakouts. What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Alex Costa, and today I want to go over a few habits, a few things that we all do, but that definitely cause breakouts. Those nasty breakouts that we don't want. Well, have you ever noticed that your skin breaks out after a specific meal? Do you see a new pimple pop up every time you have a pizza or maybe burger? Well, first, here, understand that food is not solely responsible for acne, but if you have acne-prone skin, oily skin, or maybe you lack the proper cleansing routine, there are definitely certain foods that will increase the possibility, the chances of you getting acne. I know because it happens to me all the time. And my vice, it's chocolate, man. Anytime I have chocolate, more than I should, especially chocolate with almonds for some reason, I break out. It's crazy. It happens every single time. Here's some foods that are connected to breakouts for most people. Sugar, because the increase of insulin levels actually pushes the excess sugar into your cells, which in turn causes acne. Dairy products, fast food, of course, chocolate, unfortunately, greasy food, and even whey protein. So look, if you want clear skin, I'm not saying never eat these again, but I'm saying try to minimize that as much as possible, and that's certainly going to help your skin look better. The second habit is something that us guys, we tend to do a lot more so than girls. It's rubbing our faces too aggressively. Like, we got these manly hands. A lot of us will rub our faces really aggressively when we're towel drying after the shower, for example. That friction is actually stripping away the essential oils that you have on your skin, leading to irritation, dryness, and of course, breakouts. And actually the tugging and pulling causes sagginess of that skin too, so you're aging yourself. Touching your face is generally bad. Hands are usually dirty, right? You go to a grocery store, you touch a bunch of products, touch your car steering wheel, your phone, then your face. That's a lot of germs and bacteria right onto your face. And guess what that causes? Breakouts. Try to catch yourself from now on when you're touching your face and stop it, or at least, wash your hands more often so that you're not transferring that bacteria from your keyboard, your pockets, right? All of that bacteria is going right onto your handsome face, and we don't want that. Next is forgetting to cleanse your face with a face wash before you go to bed. Look, your face, when you touch it, it's got some oils in it, right? The essential oils. Now, when you walk around, there's stuff in the air, right? There's dirt, there's that gunk, and it actually sticks to your face throughout the day. So you need to reset your face before you hit the pillow. Otherwise, all of that gunk that's stuck on your face, you're gonna be rubbing that over the pillow for the next 8 hours at night. That's not good. Or 3 hours if you play Fortnite until 5 in the morning, which in that case, you need help, my friend. But seriously, guys, not washing your face before going to bed is a bad mistake. Here's a simple skincare routine that I recommend. It's exactly what I do, and it works. Use the Africa Skincare face wash at night right before your bedtime, even if it is 5 a.m., okay? This face wash smells amazing, has great ingredients like aloe vera, jojoba oil, and it quickly gets rid of all of those dirt particles stuck on your face. It's very easy. Just put a little bit on your fingers, wash your face with lukewarm water, and then rinse. Then apply the Africa Skincare Moisturizer. Now, this is a very lightweight formula. It has vitamin C, avocado oil, and green tea. So ingredients that are going to calm, soothe, and infuse moisture into your skin so that when you go to bed, it's all going to get absorbed and you're going to wake up looking very fresh. Besides these two, I use one more product, which is this exfoliating scrub. This is my personal favorite because it just feels different. It has these very small micro beads that do a deep cleanse of your face, and I use it twice, maybe 3 times a week. You're not supposed to use it more than that. This will really cleanse your skin, and it's hard to explain. It feels really different. It feels so good after you exfoliate. It's like you have a new face on after. It's hard to describe it, but that's the best way to do it. It literally gives you, it feels like you have a new face. All you gotta do is hit that link in the description. It's the first link below. Go to africaskincare.com and subscribe to get these 3 products delivered to your doorstep every 2 months. So there's plenty of products in here for 2 months. You set it, you forget it. You don't have to think about skincare anymore. You have the products being delivered to your doorstep when you need it. Skincare is so important to make sure that you look good and feel confident when you go on a date, when you go to school or work. So why not get good products that will help you achieve that perfect skin? Check out the first link below, get your Africa skincare products. Trust me, you will not look back. Next, using an old razor or a dirty razor to shave your face. Look, using an old razor, it really does some work on your face, man. It takes more time and effort, right? Because you have to shave over and over again because the blades are probably dull. And for you to get a close shave, you gotta keep rubbing your face, which is not good. And besides that, a dull blade can, set you up for nicks, which we don't want, cause infections, which you definitely don't want, and yes, the nasty breakouts that we certainly do not want. I don't know why they're so expensive. That's a whole nother topic that I would love to get into right now, but I don't have time for that. But change your razor, use it a bunch of times, whatever. As soon as you see that the razor doesn't look as good, that the strip of lubricant is not there anymore, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Swap it out because that's going to give you a much cleaner shave and it's not gonna cause an infection or breakouts. The next habit that is unfortunately very, very bad for our skin is just going outside, man. Spending a lot of time in the sun. It's so annoying. It's summertime, right? And you can't even go and enjoy it fully because you're worried about your skin. Look, this is what I'll say. Yes, definitely worry about the sun because too much sun exposure can definitely lead to skin damage. But go outside and enjoy. The American Academy of Dermatologists actually has been saying for years now that you need to wear a 30 SPF sunscreen every single day. Every day you go outside. So yes, go outside, enjoy, have fun, but wear sunscreen. Be safe, be smart, wear a hat, right? Because otherwise you're gonna get permanent sun damage. Permanent sun damage is no fun, guys. It doesn't look good. It's basically brown spots on your face. I actually have some. And of course it can lead to skin cancer, which, let's not even say it. Fingers crossed that never happens to any of you guys here watching this video. And by the way, if you are watching this video, on this channel, we talk about men's fashion, hair, grooming, skin, dating. It's my job to help you live a better life, to make you look and feel amazing. And if that's something that you're interested in, man, you came to the right place because I've been making these videos for years and basically I just want to help out. So hit that subscribe button, become a member of this growing YouTube family, and trust me, you're gonna look better immediately. Immediately, when you hit that subscribe button, you're more handsome. I'm joking. You gotta put a little bit of work in. I'll help you, but you gotta help me a little bit here as well. Now, the next habit that is actually really bad for you, and something that I haven't talked about this, but I stopped doing recently, is drinking alcohol, especially on a regular basis. Alcohol is one of the most aggressive compounds that can destroy your skin. It causes inflammation, it takes the hydration and essential nutrients out of your body. So if you're going out drinking, which again, most people do, it's completely fine. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water. Make sure you're staying hydrated. Make sure you're getting electrolytes because you need to replenish your skin with those nutrients. You need to make sure that you're hydrating your skin, otherwise it gets really dry, wrinkly, it doesn't look good. So yes, alcohol is extremely bad for you. I know people are still gonna drink it. It is very normal in our society. But make sure that you're drinking water because it does ruin your face. So crazy, isn't it? Drinking alcohol. I've been thinking a lot about it and that's why I decided to stop. It's just so bad for you. It's unbelievable how bad it is for you. So I've just been, trying my best to minimize it. But that's the story for another day. Guys, check out africaskincare.com. First of all, thank you so much for the incredible feedback that I've been getting on this skincare line. As some of you know, it is my skincare brand and I put so much work into it. We have a lot of employees now. The brands are growing. The brand is growing, and it's all thanks to you guys. So I really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you again very, very soon.